What's up, traders? Market update time. All right, guys, do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. All right, this video here is just to educate you on what I'm seeing is happening in the markets right now. Let's get straight into the markets. Today, I'm going to look at the Dow Jones and the S&P quickly in this video for you. So, the first thing I want to share with you guys by looking at this chart, by looking at my chart, is a few things I want to share with you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. Let me actually bring up this chart here because I think it's a bit easier for you to understand. Look out below, all right? Look out below for a reversal. Look out for a reversal. Now, I didn't say crash, but I said look out for a reversal in the market. And let me explain two reasons why. Two reasons why the market is likely to at least have a pullback. All right, two reasons why. We'll look at the Dow Jones here. The first reason why is because if you look at the actual the Dow Jones, you can see how high and how vertical this move has been without any decent pullback. And you know, by looking at the history of the markets, is that the market doesn't just go straight up. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is by looking at my moving averages. So if I look at my moving average here, if you look at, say, this blue line is my 52-day moving average, and notice something about that moving average. Right? There's a thing called price and time. I'm not going to get into that here right now, but there's a thing called price and time. And when the market does too much price in a short period of time, time needs to catch up. So as you can see, what tends to happen when the market actually gets far away from the moving average? Guess what happens? It actually reverses, comes back to it, right? It comes back to it, and it eventually comes back to it, So whenever, right now, we're actually pretty far away from it, right? So we're likely to come back to it. Whether that's a sharp pullback or whether it's a slow sideways movement, we're likely to get a pullback here. That's the first thing I want to share with you guys. Now, the second thing I want to share with you guys is by looking at what's been happening lately in the markets is the volume. The volume is a very big key indicator of what's going on through here. So as this market has been rising up through here, look at that volume tapering off. So this rally has been very, very, very little sustained. So due to the fact that it's been rising so far and we're likely to get a pullback, due to the fact, because that's how the markets work. And secondly, due to the fact that this volume is decreasing, shows me that we are likely to start getting at least a pullback out of this. At least a pullback out of this market when it comes to this here. So there we go, guys. Two reasons why I believe that we're likely to get a pullback. Again, it may not happen tomorrow. It may not happen at all, right, guys? But just by looking at this here, I do believe we're likely to get that pullback, and I do believe we're likely to see that there based on those two things I've just shown you. Have a great day, guys.